Are you ready to become a millionaire before the end of 2025? It might sound like a dream, but with the right tools and mindset, it's possible. Stick with me, and I'll show you how you can use these strategies to start your journey to financial freedom today.
It is official. I am the new co-owner of Whop. Now you might be wondering, what is Whop?
What is Whop? Whop is a digital marketplace that allows users to buy and sell digital products and services. It's become a popular platform for creators, entrepreneurs, and developers who want to monetize their skills or content online. On Whop, you can find everything from online courses and community memberships to bots, templates, software tools, and more. Think of it as a hub where digital hustlers connect with people looking for value-packed digital resources. Who created Whop? Whop was founded by a team of young entrepreneurs, Steven Schwartz, Cameron Zhao, and Jack Tabak. They launched the platform with the goal of making it easier for people to monetize their knowledge, products, and communities. Now the new CEO is Ayman Gadzi. As of April 2025, with Ayman Gadzi playing a key role in its growth, Whop's purpose is to help digital creators and entrepreneurs sell their products, services, and memberships more easily. The platform has launched new features like Whop 3.0 and the Content Rewards program, which pays creators for making content about Whop. It's all about giving people the tools and support they need to build and grow online businesses in one place.
Whop is the fastest growing digital product platform in the world. And if you want to know if we're good at what we do, the answer is no.
Can we get paid using Whop? Yes, and it's easier than ever. Whop allows creators to get paid for every sale they make, with fast payouts handled through Stripe. In 2025, Whop also launched a content rewards program led by Ayman Gadzi, where creators earn money simply for making content about Whop. That means you can earn from your products and your content. Is it legitimate? Absolutely. Whop is undoubtedly one of the most trusted and reliable platforms in the digital product space currently available. Thousands of verified sellers and buyers have been using it daily with great success, and with Ayman Gadzi's outstanding backing, it's expanded into a highly transparent and secure environment for creators to thrive in. Everything associated with the platform is designed with security, streamlining, and long-term success in mind. How to begin? Getting started with Whop in 2025 is a breeze. Simply go to whop.com, create an account, and make a choice if you want to engage in buying, selling, or a combination of both activities. If you happen to be a seller, it's time to set up your storefront, add all the products you'd like to sell, and start actively promoting your page. You've even got the option to begin earning by producing content and joining the rewarding program. Thus, it stands as one of the most easiest ways to launch your digital hustle in the year 2025. So how much does Whop actually pay? On average, content creators can earn around $1 per 1,000 views on content that promotes Whop. That means if your video hits 10,000 views, you can make $10. If you scale it up and your content goes viral, the earning potential grows with it. The payout rates can vary depending on the campaign you're part of, but the idea is simple. The more views your content gets, the more you earn. And the best part, Whop tracks all the views and handles the payment automatically so you can focus on creating while they take care of the rest. Whop is one of the few platforms that actually pays creators based on views even if you're just starting out. It's simple. Create content about Whop, get views, and get paid. Plus, it's beginner-friendly. Whether you're posting on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, Whop tracks everything and pays you automatically. You're not chasing down invoices, they've got your back. And with Ayman Gadzi now pushing the platform forward, Whop is expanding fast. That means more campaigns, better payouts, and more chances to grow as a creator while making money doing what you love.